guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy right now, but that's because I want to get straight into the eye look. I already have my base, and real quickly I just want to say, even though I am going to be using glitter today, I just always like to have my base already on my face. I don't know, for whatever reason. I think it's the way I apply my powder. I like literally do it all over my face, so if I already do my eye look and then I go and set my powder, it just gets all over the place. So to me, it's just easier to do my base first regardless. But if you can do your base without getting powder all over you, I highly recommend doing the glitter first and then the base. Reason why? Because glitter gets all over the place and it's super messy. But if you're anything like me and you decide to do your base first, then have like a shield or like a piece of paper or whatever so you can catch the fallout. Does that make sense? Alright, so let's get right into it. So because we are going with a really glam look, I usually don't fill in my eyebrows, but I feel like this look is going to be super bold. So I am going to be filling them in just a little bit. I still want them to look natural. So I always start off by brushing them to give them their shape. And I use just this one from e.l.f. and the teeth have fallen out the comb side, but the brush side is still really, really good. I do have this right here, and I use these brow powders right here. I usually mix the medium and darker shades. Once I have that, I take a little spoolie like this. It's clean, well, semi-clean. It has no product on it, and I just use this to help spread that product so it doesn't look so bold and unnatural. I like to brush through them so it can disperse the product. After the brows are done, I'm going to be going in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I know I use this a lot, but it's like the most colorful palette I have. I'm going to be going in with this bright red right here. I'm taking like a smallish shader brush, and I'm placing that into the crease and of course blending it up. Then taking a clean fluffy brush to blend it out to have no harsh edges. And then I took a really small pencil brush to really pack on that red. I just added a little bit more because I want that red to pop. With that same small pencil brush, I just took some black shadow and I put that tight into the crease and outer parts of my eye to deepen the red, and then I took the same fluffy brush to just blend those colors together. Next, I'm going to be cutting my crease about 3/4 of the way. So taking my same concealer, placing some dots on my lid, and with a concealer brush, I'm going to be cutting the crease. With that same concealer brush, I'm going to be applying a gold shimmer shade onto the lid where the glitter is going to be, just so that it has a nice shimmery gold base. Also, right before I apply the glitter, I'm going to go ahead and apply the highlight to my brow bone and inner corner, and I'm using my white highlight from my Carly Bible palette. I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm also using the NYX Glitter Brilliants, and this one is in 05. That concealer brush that we used to cut the crease, I wiped it off, and we're going to be using this for the glitter primer and to apply the glitter. Tap it right where I have that gold shimmer shade. So taking some of that glitter, the opening has holes in it, so I'm going to put some of it into the cap, dip into that glitter, and then tap, tap, tap. After you have applied your glitter to both eyes, this is the time that you can clean up any spots that you want. I want to deepen up that outer V right there a little bit into the crease. I'm just picking up a tiny bit more black, just a tiny amount to deepen this right here and to blend it into the glitter as well. With the clean brush, I'm just going to wipe off that powder from my nose and my cheeks because we are done baking. You guys know I cannot go without my winged eyeliner, so of course I'm adding my wing. And of course we cannot have a glam look without falsies. I always make sure that they're nice and curled, and I put a light to medium coat of mascara, and then I go ahead and apply my lashes. So while your layer of mascara is drying, go ahead and add the highlight to your cheekbones and Cupid's bow. I'm using the same white highlight shade that I did for my eyes. For falsies, I'm using one of my pairs from I Am Lashes. Her lashes are so gorgeous. I highly recommend you go check her out on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram right here in the video, as well as down in the description box. You need to check out her lashes, seriously, and get you some real quick because they are gorgeous. The ones I'll be wearing today are in Slay. And once you have your falsies on, you can't forget about the lower lash line, so I'm going to add mascara to the lower lashes and also line my waterline with my black eyeliner. And now finally for lips. So since we already have a lot going on our eye, we're going to keep the lips nude. After moisturizing, I'm going in with my NYX Lingerie in Corset as my base, but I do want a glossy lip. This one is matte, but I like the color that it has for as a base. So right on top of that, I'm using my BareMinerals lip gloss in Totally to give it that shine. And that was all for this tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Give it a big like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and I'll talk to you guys soon.